Did you know Mahakumbh happens only once every 144 years? This rare event draws millions of pilgrims seeking spiritual awakening. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity for those yearning for a deeper connection with the divine. Join the spiritual journey at Mahakumbh, where the sacred rivers promise to cleanse your soul. Experience the profound rituals and vibrant gatherings that make this event a beacon for spiritual seekers worldwide. Experience Mahakumbh without compromising on comfort or value. Our budget package offers cozy camping, delicious meals, and a guided Mela tour. It's designed to ensure you enjoy every moment of this spiritual journey. Benefit from convenient pickup and drop services, making your journey stress-free. With our package, immerse yourself in the Mahakumbh experience without worrying about logistics or comfort. Get the best value for your money with essential comforts included. Our package ensures you experience the magic of Mahakumbh while enjoying clean, secure accommodations and expert guidance. Travel hassle-free and focus on your spiritual journey. Our package offers cultural immersion, allowing you to delve into the rich traditions and rituals of Mahakumbh with ease. Book your spot today and embark on a memorable spiritual journey. Enjoy group discounts for families and friends traveling together, making it an affordable divine experience for everyone. Contact us at kumbhfair.com or call WhatsApp plus 919650179451 to reserve your package. Don't miss this chance to experience the divinity of Mahakumbh while staying within your budget.